see. Oh, we found Mr. Police. Let's see the another egg.
I only ate, Daddy.
Yes, you can open it. Now come give it to me and show everybody. Look what we found. We found a doctor. Yay. Yeah, you can open that egg. So you found a sheep, or maybe it's a lamb. I don't know. Let's just put it right here. Who did you find? Oh, you found a cute little doggy. Let's set her right here. Why are you opening so fast? Look who you found. Her name is Bunny. Let's put her right here. Whoa, she flew all the way over there. And this is Pop Star Bunny. She is so cute, right? And we have a secret surprise. Guess where it is? Guess. It's in the ambulance. Let's see what's inside this ambulance. We found Honey the bear. Isn't that awesome? And we have another character right here. She is one of the doctors. She drives the ambulance. She's cute too. So let's set her right here. And did you notice that this is Mr. Quacky? He laid all those eggs. I'm guessing he ate the people. And I have this little cute animal. She wasn't in an egg. I just set her there. Isn't she cute? She has all the colorful toes. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And we are Mynewtoy. Thanks for watching.